Yeah, guys, this is a bird. I rescued it. It was eaten by the razor wire, and it's really small. And after that, I decided that I want to take to his mama. So after I took him and I started giving food and milk, then his mama came and it's time to return it back to where it came from. Look at that! Wow, it's amazing. Look at the mouth. Look at that. Wow, look how it's behaving. Wow, too small. It was eaten by laser wire, but BM Africa decided to help it, give water. Like you see, that's water. So these are everything is. So if you love the wild animals, the birds, so let's keep helping. Yeah, let's help it. Wow, Team BM Africa. This is a blessing. Look at it. So this leg here, this one, this it was eaten by the laser wire. Yeah, now let's return it back to his mama. Yes, this is Africa. Wow, 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 wow. Super, super, super blessed. Oh, sorry. So let me take it back. So,
This mama is people.